Hey everybody, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are right now. Welcome back to another edition of Solve. Today we have a 2019 Nissan NV200, and what we're doing is the washer fluid pump, which is somewhere down there. Here's your filler neck right here. Okay, get that off to the side. There's your hose, and let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is get access. So we got a screw right here. Let's see, you might have to remove this inner wheel well plastic. Let's do that. Okay, so now you got that screw out, you get a little more access to the pump reservoir. I believe there's a 10 millimeter underneath. Let's go to that. Yep, right there. So it looks like you got a 10 millimeter there, 10 millimeter there, and 10 millimeter there. Okay, it looks like we got a plastic right here we got to take off, which is right there. There's your tire. That's where that is. Okay, so here we are. I got that off. Then you can just lean this down, and then you'll see the pump is right there. All right. Now you're gonna lose whatever fluid you have in there. So if you just put fresh fluid, you want to get a catch can and catch it, and then reinstall it after you're done. Let's get to it. So once again, here is the pump. Now, if you wanted to, I just noticed this. You got a 10 millimeter here. And then you got another 10 millimeter on top, which I'll show you right. Oh, so it's gonna go upside down right there. I'm gonna see about removing those two, and maybe we can drop the tank and then work on it outside. That might be. So kids, at this point, another little shortcut for you. I already got it out technically, but once you get this screw out that's over here, watch this. Then you got full access. So you actually didn't even have to disassemble it as much as I did, but at least you got three different ways of doing it. No, I took out the two 10 millimeters for it, but there's your pump right there, and let's go swap that out. So here it is, the tank itself. So when it's in the vehicle, if you're looking at it from the front, there is the one bolt there, and then there's the other 10 millimeter there. There's your pump there. Just lay it down, usually using two hands. Take the old one out. New one comes with a new grommet. You want to use that. Okay, there you go. You got out with the old, in with the new. Some people like to put lube on it. It's not necessary. And that's it. Now we'll do installation. All right, so just want to show you, if you take it off from here, it goes back very, very easily. So upon reinstallation, I wound up doing this bolt here on the bottom, right there. Then I did the top one. And make sure that you don't mix these bolts up, because they can look like the ones on the bottom fairing, but they have like a shank on the end, which is thinner, which makes it easier. So then once you have that, there you go. And then you just got to reassemble. You got to put the screw in over up here, right there. And you got the 10s and the clips down there. Thanks so much for watching another edition of Solve. This is a 2019 Nissan NV200. Don't forget to share, subscribe, follow, like it, and if it helped you, maybe it can help somebody else. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next